Hello everyone, I come here with a new tutorial. I hope you will like it. So, I got a picture from Google. I am trying to make it cartoon. First, I will draw the basic lines. Trying to draw every curve and angle. Now make the lines more thicker and check everything if there anything mistake. We are in Photoshop, so we can fix everything easily. After all done, take the picture to Illustrator, where we will color the picture. Now make every line by using brush tool. Every stroke should overlap each other. It will help us to color by using Shape Builder tool. If you cannot use the brush tool correctly, then undo and try again. So now we need to clean the extra lines. I am cleaning all extra lines by using Shape Builder tool. Now we apply colors. First I will fill every shape with default color. Then I will apply other color so that I can see every brush stroke. Now apply color as you want. I want some light color. And then we apply shadow to look more real. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe and share my videos.